Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I wish you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is in English for grade 5, and we are learning unit number 8, and its title is A Walk in Paradise. So yes, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 1A, under the title of grammar, we will learn about simple present tense. Okay, my dear teachers and my dear fellow students. So, before in English for grade 3, already we learned about simple present tense on page number 19. My dear students, I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. So, today we are going to get more about simple present tense. Our today's student learning outcome is illustrate the use and structure of previously learned tenses, simple present and simple present continuous and simple future tense in their speech and writing. But today our focus will be on simple present tense. Okay? So my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, Allah himself does smoke at them and he leaves them alone in their inordinacy, blindly wandering on. So yes, my dear students, do you think that which is the message of this beautiful verse? There is saying Allah himself does smoke at them. Okay, what does it mean? It means that because few people were there with the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that they were saying that we are trying to like baffle him, that we are saying that we are with you, but behind him we were saying that we are not with him. So they were also laughing that we are baffling him. But Allah Almighty said that I always mock at them. I am also laughing at them. So look their condition. Even we know that. Even we know what they are and how they are acting, what they are doing in front of us and what they are doing behind us. So this is then Allah Almighty saying that leaves them alone, blindly wandering on. Okay, so such type of people, always Allah leaves such type of people, okay, on their own way, that go and do what you can do. So we have to pray to Allah Almighty that Allah Almighty always get us on the right path. Okay, clear like pure Muslims. Ameen. So have you, this is that leaves, he leaves them. Okay, he leaves them. This is showing us present indefinite tense. Okay, simple present tense. So now we are going to get that what is simple present tense. So yes, my dear teacher, what you have to do, it's an amazing activity for you. You will call students in pairs, like two students together you can call one by one and ask about their daily routines. Say them to share in front of class, engage whole class in this activity. Every day we are doing something, my dear students. Okay, so you have your daily routine. So my dear teacher, call students one by one in front of class. They will share their daily routines with their classmates. Pause the video and perform this activity and enjoy in class. Welcome back, and I hope you have done with it and you have enjoyed. You came to know that what our classmates are doing on daily basis. Okay, good. So let's see what is simple present tense. Simple present tense tells about things that happens regularly, like every day, every week, or every month. We use simple present tense for anything that is factual too. Two things are there, my dear students, in simple present tense. Simple present tense is always that is our daily routine tasks, what we do on our daily basis. So that already we mention in simple present tense. And facts are, so we can tell that in simple present tense already we know that factual information. Okay, through examples I am going to tell you. Examples are there. See there, the sun rises in the east. This is a daily routine basis activity and it is a fact. That's why it is factual information and it is being told in simple present tense. The sun rises in the east. We cannot change it, yeah, because this is a fact. And next is, you can see, Uncle Javed wears glasses. Okay, Uncle Javed wears glasses. So you can see that there is a daily routine activity that we are doing. Okay, and this is also we have discussed in simple present tense. Have you got? Okay, another example is also for you. I go to school. Okay, I go to school daily. So we are going, you are coming to school daily. So this is our daily routine work. So this is also called simple present tense. So have you got, my dear students? Good. Here is another. My mother cooks delicious meal. Yeah. So my mother. So mother always cooking meals every day. This is her daily routine work. Household works are also there, we are doing. At school you are coming, you are doing many things. It's our daily routine activities. Okay, so these all daily routine activities we discuss in simple present tense. Have you got? So now let's see its structure, how we can make a sentence. Subject plus verb first form plus SES plus object. This is the structure. Number one, subject, second, verb, first form, base form, SES and object. Okay, number three. So where we have to add SES, let's see. We add S or ES with singular noun or a pronoun, i.e. he, she, it, us, teacher, etc. When we are talking about a single noun or a pronoun, singular mean just one, then we have to add S or ES. Got it? But how we can judge that where we have to add S and where we have to add ES? Yes, now I am going to tell you that. We add ES when the last letters of singular verbs are SH, CH, SS, S or X. Have you got that? When the last letter of our verb is being ended by these letters, then we have to add ES. Otherwise, we will add just S. But keep remember, my dear students, with singular noun or pronoun, then we have to add these things. Okay, see that examples already we have. The sun rises in the east. You can see there, my dear students, see there we have added S. Rise is first form and we have added S, just S. The sun rises in the east. So this is showing that this is a present, simple present tense. In the next example, he reaches on time. Now have you judged that we have added ES. So why we have added ES? Yes, because that verb reach is being ended on CH. Got it? Already I have given you few words that if our verb will be ended on these words, letters, so then we have to add ES. This was the reason. Now you have got different where we have to add S and where we have to add ES. You can see there also, we play cricket in the evening. Okay. Now when our noun or pronoun is plural, more than one, then we will not add anything, just base form. Simple formula is that just first form of verb, no S, no ES, nothing else. Okay. You can see our parents love us deeply. You can see that love is our parents, subject, verb, object. Got it? This way, this us is object. Simple present tense. Now let's see what does your book says about simple present tense on page number 63. Simple present tense expresses a general truth or a habitual action like the sun rises in the east, Uncle Javed wears glasses. Subject, verb, object. Now have you got that? Good job, my dear students. Now we are moving towards an activity. So let's see how we can get through activity. Yes, my dear teacher, what you have to do, you have to make students guess how many people in the room do certain things with sentences such as, I think 4 people drink tea with milk. Okay, so think, guess about different things that people do that people do that. Try to guess in your classroom. Okay, after guessing, what you will do, they then make a question to check their answer. How many people are here drink tea with milk? Or put up your hand if you drink tea with. 1 point for each statement that is factually and grammatically correct. Okay, then you will put that you have guessed that question, you will put to the partner, to the classmate, that either it is true or not. Okay, and you will check, my dear teacher, that students are making sentences in a correct structure as a grammatically. Okay, so pause the video and enjoy this activity in your class. Welcome back, and I hope you have enjoyed and you have done with it. Good job. So now what you have to do, you have to move toward an individual activity on page number 63. Question number 5 is there. Read the instructions. You have to fill the blanks. Open your book and do this activity individually under your teacher's supervision in your class. Good job. I hope you have done with it and you have selected nicely that which form of verb we have to use according to the, yes, noun and pronoun. So what's your homework for today? Ask from your mother what's her daily routine at home. After performing the activity, get signature from your parents. So what you have to do, there is an interesting activity for you. You will sit with your mother and you will ask what she does whole day at home. Okay, if she is at home, so housewife, so you should ask. If she is a working lady, so also you can ask that what she does whole day. Okay, so after getting all that, you will get signature on your diary. Just this is your homework. Okay, good. So yes, my dear teachers, this is a worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should provide it to your students in printed form so that you should be able to check that students can guess that which type of form of verb we have to use in simple present tense. So what we have covered today? Today we learned about tenses and their kinds. We learned about simple present tense. We also got that our habits and daily routine activities shows simple present tense. And in this way we have covered up our SLO and we have done it with in a nice way. So today's lecture, I hope you have enjoyed, my dear teachers and my dear students, and you have understood how we can expect and how we can share our daily routine activities in simple present tense. So tomorrow with a new lecture. Till that time, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.